you have a hard time learning AI, it just feels like there's so much to learn. It's just too much. It's overwhelming. Everyone always likes to talk about the AI overwhelm as just a single issue. There's actually three distinct types of AI overwhelm. We're going to go through them and the solutions on how you can get over that type of overwhelm. So the first type is choice paralysis. This is when there's so many tools. You get frozen. Should I use ChatGPT? Should I use Google Gemini? Should I use Claude? And you can't make any progress because you're just stuck deciding between all of them. The solution to this one is you just got to pick a tool, commit to that one for 30 days, and learn the basics. Don't focus on any other tools. Just get over the hump. All right. Second type of AI overwhelm is technical intimidation. You think you need to know how to code. API calls scare you. Well, you just want to start with the most simple workflow possible, and you'll soon realize that coding isn't as big of a hurdle as it once was, especially with AI to write the code for you. So if you really need something to break the ice and get your first AI automation, I would recommend just connecting DeepSeek to a Telegram bot that you can talk to. And DeepSeek and Telegram can both be free, so it can really reduce your cost of just trying to get your toes wet. But that's a great place to start. The third type is scope confusion. You want to automate way too much at one time. You just want to automate everything. I commend you. You're on the AI train, but you can't do everything at once. So how to get over this overwhelm is you want to pick a task that you want to try and integrate automation into. And then you're going to create a flowchart of what are these steps 1 through 50. Where do you get to a yes, no decision? What happens if yes happens? What happens if no happens? What happens if this happens, etc. You're just going to walk through the whole process. You're going to sketch it out. And then you're just going to automate a tiny, tiny chunk of that, like one step in the process. And once that's working, then you add another step, and you continue to scale outwards. But trying to automate the whole process from the get-go when you don't have a lot of experience, you're just setting yourself up for failure, and you're going to have a hard time overcoming that mental hurdle of that failure. It's going to feel way too much. So just break it down into tiny chunks. So you may have one of these types of overwhelm. You might have them all. I'm not sure. It's up to you. But the first step is to identify what type of overwhelm you have so that you can identify the right solution you need to take. I hope this helps.